Hi, today's topic is on how to make law of attraction to work much faster. In fact, this is one of my series on how to make it faster because there are so many other principles which I shared. This is one of the principles which I want to share to see how can you make law of attraction much faster. Okay, work much faster. You may be saying that I have attended many workshops, I have read many books on law of attraction, I have watched the movie The Secret, but still something is stopping me. In fact, if you can watch the rest of my series also, you will come to know more about this. But this is another tip or another principle which I want to share here is how to make it much faster. Okay, because everybody's desire is, I want to reach my goals faster. Yes or no? Do you want to reach your goals faster or slow? Definitely yes, right? How to manifest it faster. I know that law of attraction is working in my life, but I mean, I'm not seeing that progress much faster. Why there's a delay? I hear from people that they are able to reach much faster, but I'm not able to reach much faster. In fact, there are some people who have taken my sessions. Even after they say that, there's a small comparison between the people who have taken the sessions. There's a small comparison that somebody says that, okay, I got it in very short time, but why there's a delay? Well, this is a small principle or a small tip which I want to share to you. Before going to the tip or the principle, have you ever heard the saying, the rich gets richer and the poor gets poorer? What is the secret formula, or why the rich people are getting richer and the poor are still remaining as poor? Do you want to know the secret? Right. The secret which I want to share here is the one word called gratitude. What is it? Gratitude. If you just go back, to many of the people who are most successful, they have the attitude of gratitude or the attitude of giving thanks. Most of us, we have this attitude of looking for things which we don't have. But my question to you is, have you ever thanked God for what you have all in your life? Have you ever thanked Him? We just always pray and ask for what we don't have. But have you thanked God? God, thank you for this. For example, I say, daily I start my day by thanking God, by thanking Him and saying that, oh, thanks for the shelter. In fact, thanks for the day. Because till yesterday, there were people with me, but today there are some people are not there with me. Okay, so for that, thanks for giving me this day, thanks for giving me this shelter, thanks for giving my family, thanks for giving my food, thanks for the physical health which I'm having today, thanks for the finances which I'm having, thanks for the business, thanks for the opportunity which you have given to me to transform people's life. I can keep on saying. So every day I keep thanking at least minimum for 10 to 15 minutes. Why I need to thank? I always keep saying we are all energy beings. When I say we are all energy beings, when I say thanks, what is my energy state? Is it positive or negative? Obviously it is positive. But when I keep on grumbling and say, oh, I don't have this, I need to have this, what will be my energy state? It will be negative or positive? Negative. So this is where the rich becomes richer and the poor becomes poorer. The rich are, most of the people, I'm not trying to say everybody, most of the people who understand this formula just thank and say for everything, whatever they have. And when you keep on thanking, actually what happens is your vibration changes, your energy changes. When your energy changes, what actually happens? Your attraction becomes much faster. Okay? And never, I always keep saying, never ever compare with others, because God has got uniqueness in every one of us, And there are some goals which may be bigger compared to others. So I need to be thankful for what I am having today. Just do the simple magic of thanking. In fact, I shared this to many of my people, and what I got was this: the day they started thanking, they started seeing the changes, and what actually happened was they started attracting much faster. In fact, is it thanking only when everything is positive, or thanking always? That's one question which I get normally from many people. I just say thank always. I said, what? Yeah, thank always. In fact, I remember once long time before, I just went to a small car accident. In fact, somebody hit my car. An auto guy hit my car, and got into huge damage. Okay. But instead of actually shouting on that auto guy, I said thank you. Not to the auto guy, to the universe. You know why? Because it's a small damage. Because my son was there, I was there, and nothing happened to us. So it's only a damage for the car. I can repair the car But if anything would have gone wrong with me, okay, so I thank the particular incident, thank particular accident, just because it's only an accident. Okay, I can go another step, and I can just say thank God because I'm safe. Thank God my son is safe. But most of us, do you know what they'll do? They will be shouting on that particular incident, and they'll be grumbling, and what happens? The moment you start to use a negative energy, what happens? You attract negative energy or positive energy? You attract negative energy. It's over. You know that it's already over. It's done. So during that particular situation, what you do, keep thanking. Okay? When you keep on doing that, your attitude will change. When your attitude changes, your energy changes. When your energy changes, what happens to attraction? You attract much faster. In fact, I teach people also, in my programs I teach people, if somebody is shouting on you, thank them. Many people ask me like, sir, when somebody is shouting on me, why should I thank? Very simple, I'll put other way now. When somebody is shouting on you, you shout back them. You shout back, what will happen? They shout back, you shout back, and what is your energy now? Your energy becomes negative. But instead of that, you say thank you. For one time they'll shout, second time they'll shout, third they'll say, there's no use in saying anything to this guy. Yes or no? So this thanking word, or this particular word, is a magic. 100% is a magic. So keep thanking for every situation, whatever you have. Okay? Because there are so many people today, you can just say, okay, there are so many people with so many issues, but compared to them, I'm happy. Okay, like for example, I'm physically fit, I'm mentally fit, I'm able to sleep properly, I'm having a beautiful wife, I'm having my beautiful kids, I'm having my food every day. You can keep on listing on this. I'm staying in a country which is safe. I'm thankful for the government. I'm thankful for the people. I'm thankful for the people around me. I can just say, when you keep on thanking this, what actually happens is, again I repeat it, your energy becomes positive. That when your energy becomes positive, you attract much more in your life. Okay, this is a simple formula. I'm not trying to say don't ask for it. You ask for the bigger goals, but first thank for whatever you are holding. Thank for whatever you are having. The moment you keep on saying thanks and thanks and thanks, believe me, you will attract much faster. And I always say, we keep saying is, you need not run behind anything, everything will run behind you. And I have seen in my life, okay, there were situations where I didn't have money, but maybe I just had only 100 rupees. I used to thank for the 100 rupees. There are some people who attended my program, and from nothing, they started making some money, and they say, sir, money is okay, but this money is not enough for me. But I said, but my question will be, have you thanked for the money what you got? They say, no, I'm just looking for that bigger money. When I get that bigger money, I'll thank. You know what actually happens? The universe will never give it to you. You know why? Because you are not having the attitude of thanking. You are not having the attitude of gratitude. Okay? Whatever you are holding, even if you are holding 100 rupees in your pocket, say thank you. Believe me, the universe will bless you more. The universe will give it to you more. In fact, I remember one of the incident where when a lady came to me for a session, for a personal counseling, for a relationship problem. And she also had some personal issues. In fact, she had some asthma problem and many other issues also. And after some 20 days, she called me and she said, sir, nothing is happening to me. I said, what do you mean nothing is happening to me? So I don't see any change in my husband. Okay. Did you see any change in yourself? Yes, sir. I mean, I saw that, I had an asthma problem, and immediately after the session, my asthma problem is completely gone. And I'm able to sleep peacefully, sir. That is all okay, sir. But I didn't see any change in my husband. I was really disappointed and asked this lady, have you ever thanked for the asthma problem, what left you? Have you thanked for the proper sleep what you're having? Do you know there are so many people suffering because of asthma problem? Do you know there are so many people suffering because they don't have a proper sleep? See, when you are not knowing how to thank for what you got, forget about the other things which will happen in your life. It will delay. For every situation, for everything, whatever you come across, keep thanking. Again, I keep saying, thanking is not when I have something. Thanking is what, even if I don't have anything. For the present situation, I'm thankful. Even when I'm going through challenges, I'm saying thank you. Why? Because when I'm going through challenges, my energy can be shifted from negative to positive by saying one word called thank you. Believe me, this is one vibrant tool which I can say is a very, very powerful tool, and this can change everything in your life. In fact, I can say you can reach your goals much faster than before. But only thing is, it has to come with practice. It will come with practice, and just don't chant. You're getting me? Don't chant, just say thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel it and just say thank you. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Okay? You're getting into your bus, say thank you. You're getting down, thank you. You got into your flight and getting down, thank you. For everything, keep on saying thank you. Believe me, things will change. Okay, so one thing I want to just show. Normally when I do my workshop, I normally do this. Okay, what I do is I take a white paper. Okay, I take a white paper like this, and I mark something here. I mark something here, and with a pen, and I ask them, what do you see? Okay, I'm just going to focus this, and I'm going to ask you, what are you seeing this? What are you seeing in this paper? What do you see in this paper? The most of the people's answer will be, I can see something in the center. Okay, it looks like a bird, it looks like a house, it looks like a tree, and so on and so on and so on. The more you focus, the more you come closer and closer and closer, you will see more into this. What I want to relate to? Actually, I never ask what you see here. I just ask what you see. Okay, it's only a white paper with a black dot. A white paper with a black dot. So what is it? How can I relate this with my life? This black dot is our problem area or our challenges area. Okay, this is the challenging area in our life, and this white space is the opportunity. What is the ratio between your opportunity or your problems? Huge, right? But when you start focusing on your problems closer and closer, what happens? Your problem becomes bigger and bigger. So from today onwards, try to focus on your opportunity area and just say this is nothing, or it can just say a huge white space with a black dot. That's what life is all about. Okay, so if you can just, whenever you come across any situations in your life, any challenges in your life, remember this experiment. Okay, remember this paper and just say, yes, I got a huge opportunity and there's a small challenge in my life, and I can overtake this. Okay, so remember this, and this will change your life. Okay, so I hope this particular message will change, or this particular message will change your life completely. And I always keep saying is, we in Rapid Mind Power, we reach out to people online through our video programs, and we also do the sessions online. As I keep saying, you can just go and watch my other YouTube channels, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also one more request is, please share this video to as many people as you can, so that many people's lives will be transformed through this particular program. And I also want to say that is, we do our sessions online, and in just less than 2 hours, we completely transform people's life. And we have handled many cases. We have got many situations. And being a business coach, I have transformed many businesses also. So if you are a person looking for a change or transforming your business to the next level, please do contact us, and we'll be in a position to help you out. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you.